Have you ever wondered what a low-carb diet is all about? A low-carb diet is a dietary approach that focuses on limiting carbohydrates, think bread, pasta, and sugar, while emphasizing proteins and healthy fats. It's unique, setting itself apart from other diets by its specific focus on carbs. This way of eating holds considerable significance in health and wellness circles due to its potential to support weight loss, improve heart health, and manage blood sugar levels. Understanding what low carb is the first step to a healthier you. Now that you know what low carb is, you might be wondering what foods fall into this category. Well, let's dive in. Proteins are a key part of a low carb diet. We're talking about foods like meat, fish, and eggs. They not only provide essential nutrients but also keep you feeling satisfied longer, curbing those pesky cravings. Next up are fruits and vegetables. But not all are created equal when it comes to their carbohydrate content. Opt for low-carb options like leafy greens, zucchini, broccoli, and berries. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, yet low in carbs. Now don't shy away from fats on a low-carb diet. Healthy fats and oils like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are your friends here. They provide energy, support cell growth, and help your body absorb nutrients. So why are these foods essential in a low-carb diet? It's simple. A low-carb diet aims to reduce carbohydrate intake, shifting the body's metabolism towards fats and away from sugar. By focusing on proteins, low-carb fruits and veggies, and healthy fats, you're not only nourishing your body but also supporting this metabolic shift. Remember, it's not just about cutting carbs, but about choosing nutrient-rich foods that support overall health and well-being. Choosing the right foods is crucial in following a low-carb diet. It's your ticket to enjoying this lifestyle while reaping its numerous health benefits. So let's keep this food adventure going, shall we? Scene script. Planning is a key element in any successful diet. But how do you plan a low-carb diet? The first step is to plan your meals for the week. This not only helps you stay on track, but also makes grocery shopping a breeze. Aim to include a variety of low-carb vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meal plan. When it comes to shopping lists, remember that fresh is best. Opt for whole foods and avoid processed items. Your list should be filled with items like chicken, fish, eggs, avocados, olive oil, and leafy greens. Next, let's talk about meal composition. A balanced low-carb meal should ideally contain a lean protein source, a serving of low-carb veggies, and a portion of healthy fats. For instance, a perfect dinner could be grilled salmon, your protein, a side of asparagus, your low-carb veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil, your healthy fats. Portion control is just as important as the food you're eating. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in excess. To avoid this, use smaller plates and bowls, and check serving sizes on food labels. And finally, let's not forget about the recipes and cooking tips. There are plenty of simple and quick low-carb recipes available online. You can also get creative and modify your favorite recipes by swapping high-carb ingredients with low-carb alternatives. With proper planning, a low-carb diet can be simple and enjoyable. Adapting to a low-carb lifestyle may seem challenging, but with the right tips, it can be a breeze. For starters, dealing with cravings doesn't have to be a battle. Try satisfying your sweet tooth with a handful of berries or a piece of dark chocolate. When eating out or on the go, opt for protein-based meals and avoid starchy sides. Don't be afraid to ask for substitutions. Misunderstandings about low-carb are common. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating carbs, but choosing healthier, low-glycemic options. Also, it's normal to hit plateaus or experience setbacks. When this happens, don't be discouraged. Review your food diary, adjust your portions, and keep moving forward. Common mistakes? Going too low on carbs too fast can lead to fatigue and nutrient deficiencies. Gradually decrease your carb intake and listen to your body. And don't forget, hydration is key. Embracing a low-carb lifestyle is easier than you think. You're now equipped with the basics of a low-carb diet, but you might still have some questions. Is it safe long-term? Generally, yes, but always consult your doctor. How quickly can you lose weight? It varies, but patience is key. Can diabetics go low-carb? It can help regulate blood sugar, but again, seek medical advice. And yes, you can enjoy fruits, manage sugar cravings, choose healthy snacks, and dine out with ease. With the right knowledge and mindset, a low-carb diet can be an effective tool for health and wellness.